Once again on St. George, witnessing something. Not sure what it. Oh, bank robbery!
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, you're lying.
They're interviewing witnesses.
Why are there fire trucks?
I don't know. Maybe they set the bank on fire.
Set the money on fire.
Oh,
More popo, more popo.
more popo, more popo. Wow, why the fuck are they beeping?
What the fuck are you honking for, you stupid cunt?
Yo, these people are fucking stupid. Oh yeah.
Where the fuck do you want me to go? Really? What the fuck are you doing?
Yo, I swear to fucking God.
Yo! Oh my God! Fuck. What the fuck is your fuck?
Interesting. Swag this bitch is my little D.
What the fuck are you yelling at me for? Where the fuck do you want me to go? Where? There's fucking cars in front of me. You're fucking stupid? What? Where the fuck do you want me to go? There's a fucking car in front of me. Are you fucking blind? Fuck you, bitch. Well, alright, so the stupid bitch in front of me telling me
Behind you.
Oh, so yeah, whatever. I'm mad. I'm fucking pissed off right now. Stupid bitch in front, behind
Sorry.
is telling me to go because it's a fucking green light. Oh, wait! There's a fucking car in front of me. Where the fuck do you want me to go?
Oh my God. Oh.
Wait, oh my God, I see a car. Fuck you, you stupid cunt.
Oh, look at that stupid bitch. Yo, I swear to fucking God, like this woman is really, she's really stupid. Let's look at the fucking clown, the fucking mask she has on, because she's like 40 trying to cover up her nice little wrinkles. Oh look, there's the bitch herself. Oh look.
Jerk. Asshole, cunt,
jerk off.
Where the fuck, honestly?
Punch your face,
Do
you
it.
jerk off.
Do it.
Asshole girlfriend of yours.
Yo, shut the fuck up, you're like 80.
Fucking clown.
Oh, she's gonna punch you.
Sorry, it's a green light and there's a fucking car in front of me and I can't fucking go anywhere.
She's mad because she can't move because nobody's moving.
I'm looking at this all.
It was hilarious. You and your stupid girlfriend over there. I love our lives.